Hello everyone, Daniel with the E-Bike Journey YouTube channel. Thank you all for tuning in today. I appreciate you. Today I'm going to share with you all a quick video and give you all some information on the tires that go for the EB5 by Swagtron. So within this video, if you have any questions about anything that you see or hear, I'm going to encourage you, drop a comment down below. I will do my best to assist you in the best possible direction. With that being said, let's dive straight on into this. So for the Swagtron EB5 Pro Plus bike, this is the tire size that you are going to be needing. So feel free to screenshot this at any time and pause the screen and get this information down. This is the size tire that you are going to be using, as well as a 14-inch tube on the inside, inner tube right here. So this is a 14-inch tire. So this is 14 times 2.125. And the PSI on this specific tire is 35 to 50. So that's where we're going to want to put air, somewhere in that range. And this is a 14-inch tire right here. Just to reiterate and confirm, it's going to be the 14 times 2.125 tire for the EB5 Pro Plus by Swagtron. Just to reiterate and confirm, so that way you all see it. That's the size that you're going to be working with. Let me show you the tubing information right here. Is the tubing information right there as well. So when you're getting a spare tire for your EB5, you're going to want to go with these sizings right here that I'm showing you here in this video. I wanted to make this video because when I was looking for a spare tire, it was a bit of work for me to figure out which tire was correct for my EB5. So with that being said, this is going to be a short one. This is a tire that you're going to be needing for a spare. I will leave links for you in the description below so you can pick this up on your end. Yet again, if you have any questions about anything that you saw or heard throughout this video, I'm going to encourage you to drop a comment down below. I'll do my best to assist you in the best possible direction. I also have a TikTok under the same name as this YouTube channel, under E-Bike Journey. I would truly appreciate the support on there as well. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me and ring that bell, as I'm going to be bringing more videos like this for you all. Thank you for tuning in yet again. You have a great day.